What is going on, everybody? We are here for another seadoo video, so sorry for anyone who's waiting for other videos to load. I am working on them. This is just another quick cell phone video because it's easy and it's quick. And I just kind of want to show you this kit from Today We Wrench. I am actually going to film this again in 8K once we get everything here and we can start to do the install. I'm waiting on some Loctite 518 because that's what he recommends that you use on the fittings. So I'll show you what I got. Okay, we've got some moving going on here. When I first bought the jet ski, my water regulator valve, okay, they have a spring in them, just like the Ray valves here. Mine, the spring was broken in half, so I pretty much figured, okay, well, I'll just have to get another spring, and I just couldn't find like just the spring. You had to buy like a whole regulator used. I don't know if they make them new or not. I didn't really dig into it. So I saw that Nick Jarman and like Today We Wrench were selling a kit that pretty much eliminated that. So I was like, that sounds interesting. It also adds a little bit of performance, and I was like, yeah, why not? I mean, I gotta buy one anyway, so that's what I ended up doing. So here is how this all goes. So the kit is really nice. So you actually get a filter that goes here, which is nice to filter your particulate out, which you don't get right out of the box from the factory. So I think that's pretty cool. So we're gonna put that in there. It gets cut in right there. And then there's your T here. You leave this in play. And then you take these clear hose lines and you'll put a Y that goes up here to this line, which goes to your pipe. So you're gonna have a jetted barb that goes in there. And then you have your clear line will run up top, and it'll go to this Y here, and then you'll have a jetted barb that goes here, and then these two will connect. It's a very simple kit, but you get a jetted amount of water. So it's basically a tuned amount of water that's going in there. I don't know if you guys can see the end of the jet. I'm trying to get this to focus. So these barbs are threaded to accept a jet. So this is the one with the dot. So that will go on the water box in the back, right? Very simple. So that goes in that one. And then the other one that doesn't have a dot will go here. Install is kind of a breeze, you know. I would like to say that it's not going to take me too long. I'm just waiting on the 518 to get here, and then I can do this correctly. So this was an 11 mil to take this barb out. I mean, it was really no big deal. And then I just used a crescent wrench on this, a little adjustable, and it literally just spun. It's no big deal. It was in there snug, but not like, you know, super hard. I think it was a 7/16 or 7/32 or something for that Allen key there, and there was a 13 mil bolt that goes right here. I'm gonna try and just spin it out of the way. I think that'll give me enough room, but if it doesn't, I mean, it's really no big deal to take that out. I just wanted to see if I could get the other one to turn, but that's pretty much it. Really like the kit. Like I said, the clear hose here, super robust. I'm squeezing the crap out of it right now, and it's not collapsing. So that's a really nice quality piece. So if anyone is looking to eliminate the water regulator for something a little nicer, and you get a filter, which is really cool, this I would highly recommend. So if anybody's looking to get this piece, I would go to todaywewrench.com and check out their site. They've got a lot of cool stuff on there. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Like I said, I'm gonna probably film when I get the install going in and on the actual nice camera, not my iPhone here. But yeah, stay tuned. In the next couple of days, maybe next week, I'll have some more other videos going up too, for those of you guys who don't come here to watch the seadoo stuff. But I do appreciate everybody who watches. So take care of yourself, and we'll see you later.